Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to do a clean installation of your NVIDIA Graphics Card Driver on Windows 11. Now for this, go to this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to NVIDIA website. Now select your graphic card from the list. So make sure that you select your right product type and then select your NVIDIA series. So whichever graphic card you have, go ahead and select that particular series and then select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here and then you have to go ahead and select the operating system. So right now NVIDIA has not updated their website. Right now Windows 11 is not showing in the drop down option. So as soon as Windows 11 is out for everyone, the Windows 11 option should be there. So you have to go ahead and select the right operating system. So select Windows 11 over here, then click on search. Now click on download and then again click on download. Now once the download is complete, you have to go ahead and run this exe file. Now once you run the exe file, you will see this screen. So click on agree and continue and then select the option which says custom over here and then click on next and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. So put a check over here and then click on next and it will start installing the NVIDIA graphic card driver. So this is how you can go ahead and do a clean installation of NVIDIA graphic card driver on Windows 11. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.